सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 178, shloka number 92. Kva swachandyam kva sankochaha kva va tattva vinishchayah nirvyajarjava bhutasya jarjava-bhutasya charitarthasya yoginah. Ashtavakra, giving the description of a jnani, even though it is very difficult to give the description about him, but to make the people to understand a little bit about a jnani, he gives description and he says it is very difficult to describe. Very difficult to describe. He occasionally mentions that. So he says yoginaha means jnaninaha. Yoginaha means not ashtanga yogi but jnani. Charitarthasya. Charitartham means the one whose life mission is accomplished. Charitartha means what? The one who has accomplished the fourth purushartha, moksha purushartha of such a person. Charitarthasya means of such a jnani who has accomplished what to be accomplished as a human being. Janma charitartham, people say. If I pass so and so exam, my janma charitartham. If I visit Muktinath, my janma charitartham. If I go to Kailas Manas Sarovar, my janma charitartham. Shastra says that charitartham is not atyantika charitartham. That is not real accomplishment. Real charitartham accomplishment is only paramapurushartha moksha. So charitarthasya jnaninaha, yoginaha jnaninaha. Not only that, nirvyaja arjava bhutasya. Nirvyaja means nishkapati in artham. Kapata rahitaha. There is no split personality. Manasekam, vachasyekam, karmani ekam, mahatmanaha. Nirvyaja means nishkapati in artha. Sarala swabhavam ityartha. Nishkapata means what? Sarala swabhavam. Easy going, easily forgive people. Never judge other people. Never be impulsive in his responses. Very gently he interacts with others. That is his nature. His raga dvesha are screened through Dharma Shastra. Dharma Shastra says never have kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. Dharma Shastra says. So this jnani is one who is an embodiment of dharma. What do you mean by an embodiment of dharma? Likes and dislikes, raga, dvesha. My own raga, dvesha, likes and dislikes conditioned, so powerful because of ahankara. I disturb all people, family members, society. That is called Tivra Raga Dvesha. Hiranyakasipu, Hiranyaksha, Ravana, Kumbhakarna, all Rakshasas, who are all having Raga Dvesha, I like this, I hate this. I like this person, I hate that person. This type of judgmental, no? Impulsive, reactive response is so unhealthy response, short-tempered. All are not there. That is called sarala swabhavam. That is called arjavam. Nirvyaja arjavam means who is free from that kutilata, kapatam anu cholluva. That maya is called kapati. Maya is that its nature, kutila swabhava. Talking something, thinking something, doing something, that is called kapatam. Not open-mindedness and artham. But this jnani is like a child-like mind. Child-like mind. Innocent, not ignorant, but innocent. Okay? Nirvyaja arjava bhutasya. Straightforward. Arjava means straightforward. Dharma and artham. Dharmikaha. To such a person, what swachandyam kwa sankochaha. Where is the question of restraining from something? Sankocha means restraining from something. Or going towards something. Swachanda means as he likes. There is neither going for pleasures nor doing anything wrong or taking back from something. That mind is not there. Sankocha means withdrawal. Swachandya means living as he or she likes. Khavo, pivo, maja karo. Because ko vidhi ko nishedha. To such a jnani, there is no vidhi nishedha. Shastra need not come and control him. Because deliberately, naturally, spontaneously, that person is dharmika. Therefore, never go either swachandyam or sankocha. That is very, very important. Not going towards any sense pleasures. If they are available, not closing eyes, Oh, I don't want to see, I don't want to see. People are afraid of talking to women also, some people. Some male sannyasis, they never talk with women. They are all afraid of talking to women. Why? Why means you know. So, sambandha, attachment comes problem. That's why they keep all women so far. It's a type of... but a real jnani never have such type of problem. Even male to female, female to male, when you see everything Atma, where is the question of ahankara playing role? Woman, male, man, all these brahmas, how long it will continue? As long as you have ahankara, mamakara, bhavana. So everything is Bhagavan Srishti, Bhagavan, when you see, you don't have such a kama drishti, it won't come. That kama drishti won't come. Naturally subsides it. Everything is Vishwarupam Brahman. That type of thinking. So, kwa swanchandyam, kwa sankochaha, kvava tattva vinishchayaha. Where is necessity for him to do nischaya of tattvam, the reality? No more tattva nischaya. Why? Already understood the reality. There is no further sadhana, further doing any meditation, anything. Tattva nischaya is not required. Why? Already accomplished. Until you accomplish, you have to do tattva nischaya. So after getting, they need not do any tattva nischaya. After appeasing your hunger, you have taken sumptuous food. Is there necessity to go to near kitchen, mess, eating required? Because you are full. You don't feel like to eat also. You don't feel like to eat because you are full. No desire further. Jnani is also like that, full and complete. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka, 93, 179 page. आत्मविश्रांति तृप्तेन निराशेन गतार्तिना अंतर्यदनुभूयेत तत्कथं कस्य कथ्यते. Now Ashtavakra feeling, I am really very in such a position, helpless condition, not able to describe about Jnani. How can I describe Jnani? To whom I can explain? Who can understand? Who can understand? Here Janaka, he says, Kasya tat katham kathyate. How can I talk to whom? What I can explain? Because Jnani, Tamil we say, Pambu kalu, Pambu kida theriyum. You cannot see snake legs. Snake only knows where legs are there. Like that, Jnani only knows his mental status. No one can know that. That his helplessness is showing Ashtavakra. Very difficult to describe a Jnani. But I'll try my best. Atma Vishranti Truptena. Truptena, with full satisfaction. Trupti means satisfaction. Truptena means full satisfaction. All people you see in the world, they always have some dissatisfaction. Once you understand your real nature, there is a lot of trupti. There is no atrupti. How he has got that trupti? Atma Vishranti. He is relaxing. Vishranti means what? Relaxing. Where? In Atma. Atma Vishranti. Inner leisure. Relaxing as a being. A being means what? I don't know whether in this class I said or not. Anyhow, I'll share. Okay. Atma Vishranti, remaining as being. B stands for Brahman. E stands for existence. Being. I stands for the infinite. N stands for naturally sentient. Naturally sentient. G stands for governing principle of the entire material universe. Being means I am Brahman, the existence, infinite, naturally sentient principle who is governing the entire material universe. What it is? Consciousness. I am Brahman. Infinite. Anantam. Satyam Jnanam. Anantam Mahavakyam is there on that. Swarupa Lakshanam of me. Where? Being. I am enlivening the matter material universe. Governing. I am the controller. I am the Adhishtanam. I am the ruler of this entire universe. Which I? OC or RC? OC. RC is not ruler of even house. He cannot rule his own daughter or son. What to talk of entire universe? Clear? Therefore, I am as Atma Chaitanyam giving existence to the entire universe. Therefore, Atma Vishrantihi Triptena Nirashena. Generally, when people are disappointed, they are all Nirasha. Disappointment. Here Nirashena means Asha Rahitaha. Nirgata Asha Yasmat Nirashaha Tena Nirashena. Without any desire for anything. Asha Rahitaha. Gata Artina. Arti means there is a tremendous craving, pain inside, yearning for something to get. Arti. Gata arti means from whom the arti has gone. From whom the arti, the desire, the craving has gone. Artina. So internal distress is not there. Arti means distress. Gata arti means from whom the distress has gone. Next sloka we will read. Next one more word. Antar yadanubhuyeta. Antaha yat anubhuyeta. Inside antaha, in his own mind or intellect. Yat anubhuyeta. Whatever he experienced. Anubhuti means experience. Whatever he experienced in his mind, janena, you have to supply, by people. Katham tasya kathyate. Janena, by anyone, how, to whom can be explained, said. This Gnani's mind is like this. If I want to do description, how can I know Gnani's mind? Antaha anubhuyeta. How can I say to others? Because parahridayas, you cannot understand. You cannot understand. That is why how can you describe the Gnani's mind? You understand when you become a Gnani. You understand what is the Gnani status. That's all. That is the only way. Arjuna asked, Sthita prajnasya ka bhasha samadhistasya keshava. Lord Krishna go on giving description. These are all his way of his conduct, how he behaves, how he responds. By respond you can know certain things, but not totally. Not totally. The whole world he looks at mithya. Just as you see your dream, unreal, from Gnani's standpoint, the entire Nama Rupa Prapancha is dream. Very, very unique. Antar yada anubhuyetana. Whose sorrow is destroyed and who is contented with response in the self. No? Always repose in the self, not response. Is very relaxed in the self. How one can describe what is experienced in that desireless person. Therefore what? Become a Gnani. That's all. Suptopi na sushuptau cha. Na sushuptau cha. Swapnepi na shayito na cha. Swapnepi shayito na cha. Jagarepi na jagarti. Dhirastruptah pade pade. In Telugu also there is a word pade pade. In Tamil it is there or not. Sanskritamlo varam varam annaru. Pade pade, varam varam, again and again. Pade pade means all the time, every minute, under all circumstances. Pade pade. What is that pade pade? First you see, second line. Jagare api na jagarti. We have 3 avasthas. 3 avasthas, Swami? 30 avasthas we have. 300 avasthas. In Tamil, Telugu avastha is not that avastha here. Jagrata avastha, swapna avastha, sushupti avastha. Waking, dream, waking state, dream state and sleep state. We are in which state now? Tamil Nadu. We are in which state now? Tamil Nadu or Jagrata avastha? In Ashtavakra Gita class, Jagrata avastha you have to say. Okay. You are in Tamil Nadu, that is okay. You are waking state now. Jagrata avastha. Second one is dream avastha. Every day night we get a dream. So before waking up, you are in middle. What? Sleep dream, sleep, dream. Now you are all in waking state. These three avasthas are OC or RZ. For higher eye or lower eye? Lower eye. Ahankara, Manasu, Buddhi, Chittam, sense organs, gross body, all they take rest now. The waking state is also for that only. Sleep is also for this body, mind only. Even dream also for this body, mind only. Then who am I? I am the one who is the witnesser, Sakshi of waking body, mind, sleeping body, mind, and middle. Okay, Ubhayam. Dreaming body, mind. I am the witnesser. I am neither sleeper, nor dreamer, nor waker. Mandukya language, if you want to know, I am neither Vishwaha, nor Taijasaha, nor Prajna. I am Turiya Atma. That is why Ashtavakra says, Jagare api na jagarte. I the Atma, not I am waker, really speaking. Why? If I am a sleeper only, I am not sleeper only, I am a waker. Isn't it? Waker means what? I am not a sleeper. Dreamer means what? I am not a sleeper. I am not a waker. If I am a sleeper, I am not a waker. I am not a dreamer. The original Sakshi is always there in and through of the three states, three avasthas. Therefore, Jagare api na jagart. Even though body-mind complex is awake, I am not awake. Because I don't have any waking state. Jagare api na jagarti. Then what? Swapne api shayito na cha. Supte api na sushuptau cha. Swapne api na shayita cha. That means even as the body, mind is dreaming, no? Subtle body is in dream. I am not the dreamer. I am not the dreamer. Who is the dreamer? Subtle body is dreaming. I am the witnesser of the dream. I am the witnesser of the dream. So, if a dreamer is in dream, if I, the consciousness, am not there, who will know the dream? Nobody can know the dream. Therefore, I, the consciousness, am the knower of the dream, the dreamer. I am not the dreamer. I am the Sakshi. Then Suptepi na Sushuptau. Sushuptau, Suptepi. Even though body is lying down, reclining, mind is passive, I, the Atma, I am not sleeping. I, the Atma, I am not sleeping, therefore I am not sleeper. So, body, mind complex, I am only undergoing three avasthas. All the three avasthas, experiencer must be out of the three avasthas or inside the three avasthas? Outside the avasthas. 8 o'clock train is coming and going. 8:30, 9 o'clock train is coming and going. 10 o'clock train is also coming and going. You are in which train? You are seeing all the trains are coming and going. You are in the train or on the platform? You are on the platform. If you are in 8 o'clock train, you cannot talk about 10 o'clock train. If you are going by 10 o'clock train also, you cannot describe about the 10 o'clock train. Like that, you have to see that you have to be on the platform out of any train, and three trains. Adi madri, this body-mind complex also going under three trains. One train Jagrata Avastha, second train Swapna Avastha, third train Sushupti Avastha. Who is the knower of all these three avasthas? He is not in any avastha. That's what he said here. Dhiraha truptaha pade pade. Under all condition, he is contented. I am not dissatisfied at any moment, at any time. Therefore what? Hey Janaka, you also attain that same state of mind. Okay. That is this status. So what, Swamini? So what? All Jagrat Swapna problems will not touch you, will not afflict you. That is the benefit. 95. Jnaha sanchintopi nischintaha Gnasachintopi nischintaha Sendriyopi nirindriyaha Subuddhirapi nirbuddhihi Sahankaro nahankritihi. Further he continues, Jnaha. Jnaha means Jnani, the knower of the self, the one who knows himself or herself as Atman. Jnaha Sachintopi nischintaha. Sachintaha means the one who is always thinking, thoughtful. Thoughts are going on. Chinta means here thoughts. Nischintaha, thoughtless. Thinking, but thoughtless. How? Because mind is thinking, I am not thinking. Therefore, he need not stop his mind. Now understand. He need not sit in Nirvikalpaka Samadhi and stop the mind. Not necessary at all. I am watching my thoughts. Watch your thoughts. Just watch. Just as you watch the TV. On the mind screen, thoughts are coming and going. Watch them. So, I am the witnesser of my thoughts. I am nischintaha or sachintaha? Nischintaha. I am seeing the mind which has got sachinta. Chintena saha vartate. Iti sachinta. That is why chinta comes. Now you understand? Ore chinta, ore kavalai. Chinta nasti kila. Chinta is not there because nischintaha. Thoughts are only in the mind, not in me. I am the witnesser of the thoughts. Sendriyaha api nirindriyaha. 5 sense organs of knowledge, 5 sense organs of action, pancha jnanendriyani, pancha karmendriyani. Sendriyaha aham. Achakshuhu pashyati. Akarnaha shrunoti. Kaadille kekara. Kannille pakaranna. Eppadinna. Atma is free from eyes and ears. It hears and sees, as it were. Like that, saha indriya, sendriya means indriyena saha. Now I, the Atma, am possessing sense organs or not? Sense organs I am possessing. There are sense organs. You are holding the pen in your hand. Which indriyam? Hastendriyam. Your eyes are looking, your ears are listening. You are sendriyaha now. Really, Atma, nirindriyaha. It doesn't have indriyams. Subuddhirapi nirbuddhi. Buddhi is there, but nirbuddhi. I am not buddhi. Buddhi is mine. I possess buddhi. I wear sari. I am not sari. I wear buddhi. I am not the buddhi. Therefore, nirbuddhi means free from intellect. To talk, I am free from intellect. I am using buddhi. That is why subuddhirapi. I am subuddhi. To say I am nirbuddhi, I must be subuddhi. Puriyardan nenekare. Okay. Sahankaraha anahankritihi. Ahankara is there. When I am listening to Ashtavakra Gita, if you keep ahankara aside, you cannot understand. So you are using that ahankara, aham. I am sitting in Ashtavakra class. That normal ego, functional ahankara is there. You are sahankara. No, Swami, I am Brahman. As a Brahman, you can never listen. Pure Brahman, Shuddha Brahman cannot listen to class. Pure Brahman cannot understand the Ashtavakra Gita. Pure Brahman is nirbuddhihi, nirindriyaha, nirahankaraha. So through ahankara, sahankara, but nirahankriti. You are not ahankara. Ella opposite. Okay. Nirahankriti. You are not ahankara. You means what? You have to say I am, not Ashtavakra, Janaka. I have to say I am free from sense organs, I am free from ahankara, I am free from intellect, I am free from all thoughts. That sachinta, nischinta, you have, that is mind. So mind, sense organ, intellect, ahankara. Mano, buddhi, chitta, ahankara, he puts in one sloka. That only what we are singing, Mano, buddhi, ahankara, chitta, ninaham. That he is putting in sloka. Okay, next sloka. Na sukhi na chava dukhi, na virakto na sangavan, na mumukshur na va muktah, na kinchin na cha kinchana. In sleep, total agrahanam. We don't grasp anything in sleep. In waking, we see so many things which are not there, anyatha grahanam. We take something else. Even waking state also, according to Vedanta, we are all doing what? Anyatha grahanam. Anyatha grahanam is taking one thing as other. Taking something as something differently. It's called anyatha grahanam. So either all people are in agrahanam or anyatha grahanam. According to Vedanta, vyavaharika prapancha also anyatha grahanam only. All ajnanis are where? Anyatha grahanam. Anyatha anna vere vidhamaga grahikkarathu. Enna? Naan sariram ille. Aanalum thinking I am body. It is called anyatha grahanam. So Gnani is free from agrahanam, anyatha grahanam. Why? Aidi turiya atma watching all three states. That is why na sukhi na chava dukhi. If anyone come and praise him, not pleased, not enjoying anything, all are anatma mithya. Suppose somebody comes and praise your lottery money in the dream. Coming and praising, you got yesterday 1 lakh in your dream. Amma, what is the use of praising? Are you happy? Dream, money. We are not happy. Gnani also like that only. Your house is so wonderful, your ashram is so nice. Whole ashram is like a dream. Swamini, is it too much, no? Whole ashramam is mithya. My house, 1 crore, 2 crores, it is mithya. There is no house at all, really speaking. Only walls are there. Walls only, you have given the name house. Show me where is the house. Right wall is the house, or left wall is the house, or roof is the house, or floor is the house. Which one is the house? No house. Show me house. This is my house. I say this is front wall. Swamini, come inside, you see. This is the right wall of the left side person. Left wall is the right side wall of the next other person. Front wall is the, no? Like that, if you go on, roof is the floor of the upper floor. Engappa house enna. In the madri neenga paathinde pongo ella porul. Every object becomes an onion. You go on, peel out. Onion. What remains inside? Avada. Whole world is like onion. Peel out, peel out, peel out. Okay. Na sukhi, na chava dukhi. This world, whatever comes, no, he sees there is no sukham, he is not elated, na dukhi. If anyone disturbs, they want to, hurt him, or in any form they want to disturb him also, na dukhi, not disturbed. is not getting any sorrow on that. Na viraktaha na sangavan, not having any virakti. I am not interested in anything. Sangavan, ஒரே ஃபெவிகால் மாதிரி ஒட்டிக்கிறது. Attachment with others. Always thinking about same person continuously. After that person, another person. No relation is permanent in this world. Have you seen until today how many people we have met, how many friends, how many family members, how much relation we are having? After some time, போதும்பா, அவ்வளோதான். நீங்கள் பாட்டுக்கு நீங்கள் நிம்மதியாக இருக்கும், நான் பாட்டுக்கு நான் நிம்மதியாக அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். எவ்ரி ரிலேஷன் லைக் தேட் ஒன்லி. யூ சி எனி ரிலேஷன் ஃபஸ்ட்டில் புதுசுல ஒன்று ஹஹஹா இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஈவன் எனி ஃப்ரெண்ட், எனி பர்சன், ஈவன் சுவாமினி ஆல்சோ சேம் சுவாமினி ஒன்லி. ஓகே, லைக் தட். எவ்ரி ரிலேஷன் இஸ் லைக் தட் ஒன்லி. திஸ் இஸ் த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் தட் கிரியேஷன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வாங்கோ வாங்கோன்னு சொல்லுவான், செகண்ட் டைம் வாங்கோ, செகண்ட் டைம் வந்துட்டா, fourth time எப்போ போறேன், when you are going like this. What is the universe? Na dukhi na sukhi na viraktaha na sangavan. No attachment, no virakti means any hatred towards anything. Okay, next shloka 97. Vikshepe pina vikshiptaha समाधौ न समाधिमान् जाड्येऽपि न जडो धन्यः पाण्डित्येऽपि न पण्डितः. No need of explanation, no, you can understand. Vikshepe api na vikshipta. 96th sloka to be explained. Second time. You are all very alert, very good. Sometimes the flow of teaching, no, I forget. Na mumukshuhu, very mukhyamanadu. Nava muktaha annar. Gnani, I am in rushing, I want to complete the whole, that is why. Na mumukshuhu, na muktaha. I want to become a mukta, liberated person. So for that liberation, first I have to become what? Mumukshuhu. I want to be a seeker of moksha. Na mumukshuhu, na muktaha. Who? Nama hero. Who is a gnani. This gnani, he has attained Atma Gnanam. What is that Atma Gnanam? I need not attain liberation. I need not attain liberation. Why? I was not bound. I was not bound. Why I have to be liberated? Na mumukshuhu, na muktaha. After getting that self-knowledge, I was thinking, I am bound. Therefore, I thought, I want to be liberated. Therefore, I was practicing sadhana, lot of abhyasa. I was a mumukshu. Now after knowledge, after studying Upanishads, Gita and all, now I cannot say I am muktaha. Mukta means what? Freedom. After jnanam, I am free. Freedom from what? Freedom from what? There is nothing to be freedom from, no, something else. Na kinchana. Na kinchana, na kinchit, na kinchana. There is nothing I want to be free from. There is no second thing. There is no second thing to be free from. Why? There is no second real thing to be free from. If second thing is there, I want to be free from my mamiyarna. I want to be free from something else. When there is no second real thing, from whom I want to be free? I want to be free from samsara. Who is having samsara? I. Who are you? You are not the body, you are not the mind. When body, mind is not you, Where is the question of samsara? Where is the question of bandha? Samsara bandha is there only mukti. Then only mumukshutvam. Therefore, everything is redundant. Very nice story. One person is a game like. In that game, what they do? First, they tie a cloth to the eyes of a person. They'll ask him. First, he is seeing the whole room, and they keep so many things: pillows, table, chair, so many things they keep in the room, here and there. Here and there they keep lot of things. And you have seen, now we tie a cloth to your eyes. After tying, you have to enter this door and walk without touching any object in the room. You should not get hurt of anything. That means you should not touch. Your leg or hand should not touch anything. Without touching anyone, you have to reach to that end. Okay. I know what are all there. He has recorded in the mind, registered. This is here, this is here. I can walk this way. He has planned. Then they have tied. After tying, what they did, they removed everything. All pillows, chairs, everything they have removed. After removing, this person is walking. Carefully walking. Then he reached there. They are all laughing at him and clapping also. Then he went and saw there, nothing is there. But he walked so carefully. Is it necessary? We are also like that only. Son, daughter, mother, father, we are all walking like that. After knowledge, you see, my God, no son, no daughter. I alone am appearing as son. I the Atma alone appearing as daughter. I the Atma alone appearing as mother-in-law. I the Atma alone appearing as my problematic neighbor. This is what? Where is the question of mukti? Where is the question of mumukshutva? That is called enlightenment. I need not run away from anything because I myself am there everywhere. How can I run from myself? How can I run away from myself? Which myself? OC or RC? OC. Body, mind, they are not real. But we are giving 110%. Adi kadiyadu. 100% we are giving reality and struggling. Na kinchana na kinchit. Onnume illave illa nijama. Yesterday dream you saw so many objects. Are there any object? Do you see any object after waking? Jnani also like that. He never see any object after knowledge. Appa Swamini, everything disappear. Everything that is the difference between dream and waking state. After waking, dream objects all disappear. But after knowledge, this waking world which is a dream, they appear, but you will not disturbed by them. That is the meaning. Next shloka. Next. Padichachi. 97. Okay. 97. Vikshepe api na vikshiptaha. Vikshepa means a distraction. People always complain. I am distracted by this person, distracted by this and that and all. Always. Really, who is distracted? I, the Atma, am not distracted. Mind always be distracted. However much concentrate, focused mind, it will get distraction. So I, the Atma, not distracted in spite of the mind distraction. I, the Atma, am watching the distraction of the mind. Vikshepe api na vikshiptaha. The observer of the distraction must be free from distraction. Samadhau na samadhiman. Even though mind is so deep in samadhi absorption, I am so absorbed. Who is that? Who is saying? Observer. I am the observer of the absorption. How do you know you are absorbed? Tell me. How do you know you are absorbed? Samadhi means what? Absorption. Total totally absorbed. How do you know? I know Swamini. That means you are different from the absorption. Yes? Therefore, samadhiman na samadhiman samadhau. Even in absorption also, I am not in absorption. I am not absorbed. I am the observer of the absorption. Jadyepi na jadaha. Jadyepi, this body is jadam. This body is jadam. Objects are jadam. Everything is jadam. Other than me, everything is jadam. Other than me means, other than me, the Atma, body is jadam, mind is jadam, everything is jadam. Jadam means inert, insentient. So insentient, I am sentient in all insentient objects. I enliven the insentient objects. Because of my blessing, they become sentient. Jade api aham na jadaha. Dhanyaha. Such a person is fortunate. Pandityepi na panditaha. Panditya means scholarship. Who is a scholar? Intellect got scholarship. I am the observer of the scholarship. Isn't it? I am not panditaha. That's why anyone says I am panditaha. Na? Really, who is panditaha? Body-mind complex. Not Atma. Next one, 98. All are simple. Very simple. Mukto yatha sthiti swasthaha krita kartavya nirvritaha samasarvatra vaitrishnyaat न स्मरन्त्य कृतं कृतं यथास्थिति स्वस्थः. Yathasthiti means natural state, which is not a state. I am naturally swasthaha. I remain. Swasthaha means remaining in my own natural state, which is not a state. Turiya avastha is not an avastha. I am turiyam. It is not an avastha. Muktaha, I am aham krita kartavya nirvritaha. Nirvritaha means free from. Free from what? Krita kartavyam. What is to be done, what is has to be done. Kritam means already done. Kartavya means to be done. People always in what? Morning onwards. Yesterday I did this. Day before yesterday I did this. Last week I have completed this. Kritam, kritam, kritam. I have done that, I have done that, I have done that. What about tomorrow? Ayyo, I have to do this. I have to do that. Kartavyam, kartavyam. Running behind the son, daughter, their education, so many kartavyam. Lot of thinking about what has done and what has to be done. Past and present. Kritam, kartavyam. Nirvritaha. And the tension worry irkad. Past, whatever I have done, we never bother. It will not, it is like writing on waters. Even it is there also, Gnani also doing. But that's like writing on the waters. How much time it stay on waters? Gnani mind is also like that. Nothing will go and stick. Everything smoothly goes, that's all. Free. Samaha sarvatra. You can understand. Sarvatra, under all circumstances. Samaha, uniform, maintaining the equanimous mind without any disturbance. Vaitrishnat. Vaitrishnat means Trishna. Trishna means craving, desire something or other. Asha. He is free from that. Smarati akritam kritam. Because he is free from Trishna, therefore he is samaha. Akritam kritam na smarati. Remembering all the time. Smarati means remembering. Kritam, akritam. What I have done, what I have not done, go on thinking. It's not there. All people, mind is always go in this only, maximum time. Our energy drained in this only. இப்போ டைம் எவ்வளோ ஆச்சு, வீட்டுக்கு போய் என்ன பண்ணணும், என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், என்ன பண்ணணும், கிருத்தம் அகிருத்தம் ஸ்மரதி. ஹூ சம்சாரி ஞானி, it is not occupied his mind. That's what na smarati. Next shloka. Na priyate pandyamanah nindyamano na kupyati naivo dvijati marane जीवनेनाभिनन्दति. Now by this time you are all experts understanding this. Na priyate vandyamanaha. If anyone praise him, appreciate him, admire him or her, that jnani, na priyate, not pleased very much, not pleased. Nindyamanaha na kupyati. If anyone criticizes this person, nindyamanaha, blamed by others, he will not shout at them. He will not show any anger towards them. Na udvijati marane. If maranam comes, na udvijati. People always do Ayush Homa, na? Ayush Homa, Ayush Homa. After 80-90, Ayush Homa. ஐயோ வேண்டாம் சுவாமி ஆயுஷ் ஹோமம், பகவான் கூட்டிகிட்டு போனால் நன்னா இருக்கும் என்ன ஆயுஷ் ஹோமம். ஸோ ஆஸ் லாங் ஆஸ் பாடி இஸ் ஹெயில் அண்ட் ஹெல்தி, பீப்புள் வாண்ட் டு கண்டினியூ. ந உத்விஜத்தி மரணே. பீப்புள் ஆல்வேஸ் தே வாண்ட் டு கண்டினியூ. வி டோன்ட் வாண்ட். அந்த மரணம் வார்த்தை கூட பிடிக்காது சில பேருக்கு. டெட் பாடி இஸ் தேர்னு இந்த பக்கம் இருந்து இந்த பக்கம் போயிடும். ந உத்விஜத்தி ஜீவனே ந அபிநந்ததி. If there I am, life is there, I am living continuously, is there any abhimana, any ananda? Body is like a bubble. Bubble comes and bubble goes. What is a big deal? How many bodies are coming, floating in me, the Atma? How many bodies are floating? Millions of bodies are floating, not only human being body. 84 lakhs of species bodies are floating in me, the Atma. Not knowing this, I am worrying about one body. See what a tragedy. What a tragedy. Nadhavati janakirnam naranyamupashantadhihi yatha tatha yatra tatra समये मावतिष्ठते. Shantadhihi, the one whose intellect means mind, antakaranam, dhihi, shantaha, that shantam shivam advaitam, who is tranquil, not born out of any meditation. That shanti born out of knowledge. Na dhavati janakiranam, not interested in running towards a people, crowd. Some people love crowd, people, functions, always they go here and there. Janakiranam anna crowd, people. They love, they cannot live alone. Or some people, they don't want crowd, they want to run away from there. So this person, na aranyam dhavati, na janakiranam, na aranyam. Neither is interested in forest nor in crowd. Then what? Where he is or she is, remain there. Swamini, ninga ashram eppo kattuvel? Ashram, they want to come to me. Ashram. I say, where are you? That is the ashram. Convert your place into ashram. Yatha tatha yatra tatra. Whatever is available, wherever, yatha tatha, he remains as it is. In given condition, given atmosphere, with given body, and given husband and wife, given children, neighbor also remains. Samaha eva avatisthate. Remain uniformly, same, without any disturbance in the mind. Are you fine? Yes. When? All the time. Because of what? Not because of anything. That's my nature. With this, 18th chapter is over. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.